Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, C1 girls? Are you good? Okay. Today we are going to start 9 and our topic is Tabuk expedition. So first of all, we will discuss the main points of the Tabuk expedition. The Tabuk expedition was towards the Syrian border. It was an expected encounter between the Christians and the Muslim army, and Muslim army in this expedition was 30,000 in strength. During this expedition, many Christian tribes enter in alliance with the Muslims. So, first of all, we will discuss the cause of the Battle of Tabuk. The relations between the Muslims and the Christian tribes of Syria got tense after the Battle of Mu'atta. The Syrian Christians couldn't tolerate the spread of Islam and growing unity of Arabia under the leadership of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. They became jealous of the rapid growth of the Islam. They saw great danger in the rising power of Islam. So therefore, they thought that a mighty attack on Arab would hamper this regularly and the growing power of Islam. For this purpose, the Romans, under the instructions of Heraclius, collected a huge army on the border of Syria. So the Prophet, peace be upon him, heard of the preparation for a war against Muslims by Romans and other Christians confederates. It was now necessary to defend and protect Islam. It was a hot summer and people hardly had anything to eat. तबूक एक्सपीडिशन के बारे में बेटा एक बात बताऊं कि देर वॉज टू हॉट एट दैट टाइम एंड एट दैट टाइम व्हाट हैपन देर वॉज अ कंडीशन ऑफ द स्टारवेशन. लोगों में कहत साली का आलम था, खाने पीने का कोई सामान जो है वो मौजूद नहीं था और गर्मी की वजह से जो है वो लोग बहुत बेहाल थे. तो प्रॉफिट पीस भी अपॉन हिम जो है उन्होंने कंपेनियन से ये अनाउंस किया था कि जो अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं, जो स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं फाइनेंशली, तो वो जो है कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट करें. तो आपने सुना होगा कि अबू बकर रज़ी अल्लाह ताला अन्हु ने अपनी ओवरऑल जो वेल्थ थी वो फॉर द सेक ऑफ इस्लाम जो है वो तबूक एक्सपीडिशन में ऑफ़र कर दी थी. हज़रत उमर रज़ी अल्लाह ताला ने हाफ़ ऑफ द वेल्थ जो है वो दी थी और इसी तरह उस्मान बिन अफ़ान रज़ी अल्लाह ताला उनकी बहुत सारी कंट्रीब्यूशन है, अब्दुर्रहमान बिन औफ़ रज़ी अल्लाह ताला उनकी बहुत सारी कंट्रीब्यूशन है. तो इस तरीके से जो है वो तबूक एक्सपीडिशन में जो कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ वी कैन से कंपेनियंस ऑफ द प्रॉफिट है, इट इज़ remarkable. So the journey to Syria was very long and very difficult, especially during the summer in Arabian desert. The heat was unsufferable and besides the crops standing in the fields was ripe and ready for harvesting. Many who were poor had no means to provide themselves with horses or camels, and nor was the Prophet, peace be upon him, himself in a position to make these arrangements for them. The Prophet, peace be upon him, asked the wealthy Muslims to contribute the expenses of army, and they responded admirably. Many brought whatever they could afford in both cash and kind. Hazrat Usman bin Affan Razillah provided 300 camels with their gear or gave 1,000 dinars. Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Razillah brought all his provisions, and Umar Razillah brought half of his wealth, leaving the other half for his family. The Prophet, peace be upon him, was able to collect an army of 30,000 men and 10,000 horses, the biggest army in the Arabian history at that time. Many hypocrites did not join the Prophet, peace be upon him, and complained about the intense heat. Not only this, but they asked others as well not to join the Prophet, peace be upon him. The Prophet, peace be upon him, left Hazrat Ali Rizallahu anhu in Medina to look after the Muslim families and their properties. Means he left Hazrat Ali as his assistant in Medina. When the Muslims reached Tabuk, ready and eager to fight their enemies, they found that Romans and their allies had retreated deep into their own territory and they didn't dare to face the Muslim in battle. यानी रोमन्स जो हैं उन्होंने फ़ाइट स्टार्ट ही नहीं की थी. वो पहले से ही उनके अंदर जो है फियर डेवलप हो गया था कि मुस्लिम्स की पावर, चूँकि वो पहले से ही कई उसमें देख चुके थे बैटल्स में, कई फाइट्स में, जस्ट लाइक बदर, ओहद, ट्रेंच, हुनैन. तो अब जो है वो फेयरफुली कंडीशंस में बहुत सारे जो वहाँ के ट्राइब्स थे उन्होंने इस्लाम को एक्सेप्ट कर लिया और कुछ ट्राइब्स ऐसे थे जिन्होंने इस्लाम एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया लेकिन इस्लाम की रूलिंग को एक्सेप्ट करके दे एग्रीड टू पे द जिजिया. So the Arab tribes accepted the rule of the Islam and agreed to pay jizya, and many converted to Islam. And after staying about 20 days, the Prophet peace be upon him returned to Medina. Prophet peace be upon him ने वहाँ पर 20 days stay किया, and during this time many people accepted Islam. Prophet peace be upon him ने वहाँ पे इस्लाम को preach किया, और many people they impressed with the kind behavior of the Prophet peace be upon him. The Tabuk expedition gave a deep impression to all Arab tribes of the physical and spiritual strength of Islam. So, deputation from all the parts of the land came to Medina and accepted Islam, and ultimately, Islam was declared as the religion of the whole of Arabia. Here we can see some points about the importance of the Tabuk expedition. Muslim forces achieved a very good military reputation, and many unbelievers embraced Islam. Their defeat, non-Muslim Arab tribes' influence became weak. और इसमें एक और point भी आप ऐड कर सकते हैं कि hypocrites were exposed again because they didn't help the Muslims and they didn't join the Muslims army.